morning. We're going to Palawan. Welcome to Puerto Princesa. Hello mga best, welcome to my room.
Insert. Then, hila. Apo.
Mahirap itong makita. Yan. Tapos,
Tapos, hila.
Itong pang-siksik. Itong pang-siksik.
Yung okay. Siya yung
Paulit-ulit lang, paulit-ulit hanggang sa siya mapuno.
They are Palawan Pickup Quezon. It's locally po known as Tandikan. The blue one po yung colorful one. Sila ang mga lalaki. It's called Pickup.
To carry those products which are the batik. So when it's full, they just tie it up so that the products won't fall. And on the top of this native drum is made of animal skin, which is a cow skin balat po ito ng baka. They can also use a lizard or snake skin, ma'am, sir.
Until now, they prefer that po here sa village. Since we have lighters na rin at matches dito, mas prefer pa po yan nila.
That duck on the area is safe food throughout the year kasi nga naka-coat po siya.
Ayun no, nakarating na dito. Dito ako. Basta itutulak mo ako.
Hindi sir, papaupo yun. May instruction pa po tayo sir.
Ah, okay.
1, 2, 3.